Hey folks, Redneck MacGyver 007 here, working on part 4 of the Hobbit doghouse. Today I am waterproofing the structure, getting ready to bury it in dirt. So what I've been using here is a, what's it called? Blue Max liquid rubber is what it's called. And I tried using a spray gun, which I was really hoping it would work because it'd go a lot faster, but it was just too thick. It's hot out here, but let me show you what I've done here. Yeah, like I was saying, I was trying to use a spray gun, but it's just way too thick. I mean, it's like trying to spray pudding. It's some really thick stuff. So that's the Blue Max liquid rubber here. What I wound up doing is just using a roller to spray on, to roll everything on, and a paintbrush to get down into the crevices. Also doing a little test here, just curious to see how it'll turn out. Got a bucket here that's just completely cracked across the bottom. Let's see if I can show you. Well, you can see how big the crack is. So we're gonna let that harden and see how this stuff really works, if it'll hold water. Oh, here's my dog. She's blue also, and so am I. She kind of got into a mess, didn't you, Goldie? Don't play in the paint, baby. Let me show you something real quick though, before I sign out. Thought this was kind of cool. Got a little indoor-outdoor thermometer here. It's hot today. Let's zoom in, see if you can see this. But inside, this is without the earth buried on it, but it's 80 degrees inside, and it is 95 degrees outside. So, she knows a good place to be. All right, time to try out the Blue Max liquid rubber in my cracked bucket. It couldn't hold anything, so let's see. It's dry. Pretty good stuff. So anyhow, this is the second coat. All the way around, everything that's going to be touching dirt is now this curious to see how it does. Alright, now I've got gravel poured all around the base of the structure so that we're ready to bury it now, and this should help any kind of drainage work itself away from the structure. Let's get to burying this sucker. But signing out here. Oh, hey Goldie. Hey! Messing my video up. Oh well. Redneck MacGyver here, signing out. Thanks for watching.